A very good afternoon, class 7th. Today we will continue our chapter 13. In this chapter we are on exercise 13.3. Yesterday we have completed our exercise 13.2. In that exercise you learn how to convert the equation from the statement and how to make the statements of the given equations. Right? In that exercise you learn about the left hand side and right hand side of the equations, how to represent them, how to write them, how to check the given equation is a one variable equation or not. Means one variable means you can say the linear equation or not. In the linear equation there is one term, that is when you find or choose the given equations are linear or not, there you will check that only single variable, either x, y or z in the equation, and the highest power or its variable is 1. Highest power, exponents, whatever you can say, that is 1. About this power we will discuss in our next chapter, chapter number 14, which is about the power. So now come back to the chapter 13. So yesterday we have done about the equations. Today we will study how to find the solution of the equations. Solution means the value of the variable. Everyone knows that if the equation, it means in the equation variable is also there. So the solution means the value of the variable which satisfy the given equation. Right? Like this, x minus 2 equals to 0. So the value of this variable which satisfy that when I put the value here, it makes it equals to 0. That is the solution of this complete equation, and that value of the variable, that is 2 minus 2 equals to 0. So solution of this equation is plus 2. One point also, if the solution come in the negative form, then you will write it in negative form. Don't change into plus, because beta, when we find the solution of the equations, there the signs matter a lot. If minus, then put it minus. If plus, then keep it as it is. Don't change the sign. Don't confuse that solution cannot be negative, it always been positive. तो आपकी negative value आई है, so it is wrong. No. Solution can be negative also and positive also. Right? Now, this is about what do you mean by the solution of the equation. Now, there are 3 methods in your book that are discussed when we finding the solution. First one is trial and error. This trial and error method means you will put the values, and if it get wrong, then again put the another values. यहाँ पे आपका कोई ये नहीं है कि specific value ही रखनी है आपको. Like this, I put direct that plus 2. If I subtract it, then I got the 0. So this is trial and error method. Right? Like x minus 4 equals to 2. If I put here 6 minus 4 equals to 2, then satisfied. So it means this is the trial and error method, which has no specific way. Direct, just we will put the value. If it is correct, then that is the solution, and if it not correct, then put the another method. That's why trial means again try and try. Error, it occurs. कई बार क्या होता है बेटा, जो हम solution assume करते हैं वो उस equation का solution नहीं होता, and that we know after putting the value. So it means error occurs. So that's why the first method is trial and error. What is trial and error? Second method is systematic method. Second one is systematic method. In this method, See, the name will tell. Systematic means in the proper way, where you will solve left and right hand side both together. The main part of this method is here you will solve left hand side as well as right hand side together. Like this is x minus 4 equals to 2. So here I have to kept only the variable and values will become this side. So add 4 both side. Because सिस्टमैटिक मेथड में आप एक साइड कोई भी वर्क नहीं करेंगी, दोनों साइड पैरेलल चलेंगी. वी विल सॉल्व द बोथ साइड टुगेदर. -4 + 4 equals to 2 + 4. -4 + 4 0 equals to 2 + 4 6. See, this is the systematic method. ये क्या होगा? Systematic method. Right? After that, the third and the last method is called transposition method. What is transposition method? See students, ये जो methods हैं बेटा, इनकी आपको नेमिंग ही बता रही है. देखो, ट्रांसपोजिशन मीन्स यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे? पोजिशंस चेंज करेंगे. x minus 4 equals to 2. I will take this 4 this side, and here it is in negative. When I change the side, it goes in positive and it is equals to 6. Right? So this is your transposition method. Very easy. See, with one equation I told you all three methods. First one, trial and error. Second one, systematic, and the third one is transposition method. Right? In these methods you have to take care only one thing, that the rules must be followed by the given one. Like trial and error में आप value put करेंगे, if it error then put the new value. Systematic, both sides will solve together. Like this, add 4 both side. If it is x minus 6 equals to 0, then what I do? +6, क्योंकि मुझे यहाँ पे इस साइड में सिर्फ वेरिएबल के अलावा कोई नंबर नहीं चाहिए. सिस्टमैटिक मेथड में आपको वेरिएबल ही रखना है. यहाँ अगर आपको ऐसे गिवन है x/8 equals to 2, सो व्हाट यू विल डू? डिवीजन में है, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 8 ऑन बोथ साइड. राइट? दोनों साइड से 8 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, इक्वल्स टू 2. 8 कट बाई 8 x इक्वल्स टू, सॉरी यहाँ पे भी 8 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा, 2 8 जा 16. राइट? यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई लाइक दिस. यू हैव टू डू विद सिस्टमैटिक मैथड लाइक दिस. एंड ट्रांसपोजिशन मैथड मीन्स चेंज द पोजिशन. In transposition method you have to remember one thing, and that is here from see, transposition number on a variable, adding change to subtraction. If this side addition, when I take this side it change into subtraction. Subtraction changes to addition. Multiplication changes to division, and division changes to multiplication. So you will learn these points which I told you in every exercise. When we change the position, or you can say when we change the sides, left hand side to right hand side and right hand side to left hand sides, signs also change. Positive to negative, negative to positive, multiplication with division and division with multiplication. Clear to all? So now these are the three methods. So now we will start our exercise. One more point, if in the question it is not mentioned that you have to do or you have to solve the equation with this method, so what you will do? You will apply any method which is suitable and give you the solution quickly. Right? And one more thing you have to do, you have to write the name of the method also, where you will use any method out of these three. So K1 is solve the following equations using the trial and error method. So here it is given upstairs, upper you will like using trial and error method. So what we learn in this method? We can solve direct, like a equals to x minus 8 equals to 17. What I have to do? See, for trial and error बेस्ट मेथड क्या है? जो हमने ट्रांसपोजिशन में किया था, रफली करेंगे आप, ये फेयर में नहीं करेंगे. x minus 18 equals to, sorry, x minus 8 equals to 17, x equals to, this 8 goes that side, 25. So if I put 25 minus 8 equals to 17, and this is equals to 17 and 17. Hence, you will write here left hand side equals to right hand side. Hence, the value of x equals to 25, right? And this you have to write here also, put x equals to 25, right? ट्रायल एंड एरर में ये सबसे बेस्ट है. अदरवाइज आप पुट करके चलते चलो 1 minus 8 minus 7, 2 minus 8 minus 6, like this. Scene B part, p plus 9 equals to minus 11, right? So see, here is minus, it means इससे ग्रेटर नंबर होगा 9 से, और जो भी ग्रेटर नंबर होगा that is in negative form. So put p equals to minus 20. Minus 20 plus 9 equals to minus 11, and this is also equals to minus 11. So left hand side equals to right hand side. Value of p equals to minus 11. Clear this question? बहुत easy है. आपको सिर्फ solution लिखना है बच्चे, और कुछ भी नहीं करना. Like in C part, at C1 is 8 minus s equals to 41. How you will do these? देखो यहाँ पे ये नेगेटिव में नंबर है, s हमारा जो है that is given is in the negative one, right? So see, if I take this minus s equals to 41, change the side, minus 8, that is minus 11 minus 8, 3. Sorry, here it comes minus s equals to 33. It means s equals to minus 33. Remember, I told you in the solution signs matter most. So if I put 8 minus 33, is it minus minus plus equals to 41, and this is also equals to, hence the value of the s is minus 33. Clear? This is your K1 part, and this is the solution with the trial and error method. After this, K2, solve the following equations using systematic method. Which method, beta? Systematic method. Now, so see in this, like first is t by 8 equals to 7. In systematic method, see here I have to convert this left hand side as with the only variable. यहाँ पे जो numbers given है वो division में है, so multiply by mistake I read multiply by 8 on both sides. T by 8 multiply with 8 and 7 multiply with 8. 8 cut by 8, t equals to 7 8 is 56. Right? And the solution of this equation is 56. Now see B part. S by 9 equals to minus 11. Again 9 is division. Again multiply with 9. S by 9 multiply 9 minus 11 multiply 9. S equals to minus 99. Right? Solution of this is minus 99. Rest 3 parts you will try yourself. Okay, डिवीजन में है तो आप मल्टीप्लाई करो, एडिशन में है तो आप सब्ट्रैक्ट करो. See here it is given that F part, that is 4a equals to 0. So in this one condition is applied. Either you will divide by 4 on both sides. So 4a divided by 4, 4 cut and a equals to 0 by 4 means 0. So solution of this equation is 0. Clear? This is the way to find the solution with systematic method. Now, third. Solve the following equations using the transposition method. Which method? Transposition. And in transposition what we do? We are changing the positions. Like this. A is 0 equals to 24 minus x. We will take this minus x this side and this 0 will come this side. So this is x equals to 24 minus 0 which is equals to 24. Right? देखो this side x is of minus. When it comes this side it is goes plus. 0 यहाँ पे प्लस था, जब आप साइड चेंज करोगे इट कम्स एज माइनस. नाउ बी पार्ट. c plus 5 equals to 5. Right? So c equals to 5. This side plus, it goes this side minus, and it equals to 0. c equals to 0. So this is the way to do the solution, to find the solution of the equation by transposition method. Clear? After this, the next one is fourth. While transposing variables or numbers from left hand side to the right hand side of an equation. A part is addition changes to. So this I told you, addition changes to subtraction, subtraction changes to addition, multiplication changes to division, and division changes to multiplication. Right? So this question also you will do yourself. Now come to the S1. Represents the following statement in the form of an equation and solve them using the trial and error method. Now in this we have to firstly form the equations and then solve them. So S1. First one is 5 added to a number. 5 plus x equals to 8. So directly if I add 3 to 5, it means that is put x equals to 3. 5 plus 3 equals to 8, 8 and 8. So here left hand side equals to right hand side. So the solution of this is 3. Now the B part. 3 subtracted from a number means x minus 3 is 15. So from which number I will subtract it, that the answer is 15. From 18. 18 minus 3 equals to 15. Right? And the solution of this one is x equals to 18. Very easy trial and error method and even systematic also. After this, now see the C part. 5 times a number is 10. So 5 times a number means you will take 5y equals to 10. So y equals to 2. 5 2s are 10. Right? D part, 1/4 of a number. 1/4 of means multiply. Y equals to 20. So what comes here? 80. 4 2s are 0. Then only 20 come. So the value of the y is 80. Right? You have to find the values. A number is subtracted from 3. 3 minus x equals to 7. Now you will find the value. F part is 4/5 of a number is 2. 4/5 means 4 by 5. Of means multiply and a number z equals to 2. Now you will solve it and find the value. Clear? Clear? This is S1. Now come to the S2. Identify the number and the operation for the solution of the linear equation represented by the following statement. Here we have to identify the number and the operations. So first one is the quotient of a b and 3. So in this we will just write the statements which is given here. The quotient of b and 3 means b by 3 is equal to 4. Right? B part. 8 times x means 8x is 40. C. Y reduced by 1 means y minus 1 gives 2. Right? See, this I told you how to make the equations from the statement. D. The difference between p and 1 is 5. E part, x increased by 5 is 11. And F part, the product of 5 and C is 55. Clear? These are the linear equations from the statement. After this, come to the S3rd. The solution of the linear equations t minus 5 equals to 7, p by 2 equals to 6, y plus 3 equals to 15, and 2a equals to 24 are the same. Verify whether the statement is true or false. It is given that the solution of these variables same. So let's solve. So from this 7 plus 5 t equals to 12. Right? P by 2. 2 division will change into multiplication. P equals to 12. Right? Now y, here it is in plus. When I change the side, means by transposition method, the signs also change. Positive to negative, negative to positive, division to multiplication, and here multiplication into division. Right? It is given that are the same. So this statement is true. The solution of these equations is 12. Clear? It is very easy exercise. You have to just arrange them according to the situation and find the solution. Now after this, come to the A1. The length of a rectangle is 4 cm more than its breadth. If the length of the rectangle is 40 cm, so see, length is 40 cm given, breadth is 4 more than its breadth. It means breadth क्या होगी 4 less, right? So it is equals to 36 centimeter. See, the question is, if the length of the rectangle is 4 centimeter than its breadth, right? 4 centimeter more. So देखो यहाँ पे तो मैंने आपको simply डायरेक्ट किया है हमने, but with the equation type, how you will do this? We will take breadth equals to x, right? And length is x plus 4. This is x centimeter and this is x plus 4 centimeter according to the first line. The length of the rectangle is 4 centimeter more than its breadth. So length is x plus 4 and breadth is x centimeter. Now, if the length of the rectangle is 40 centimeter, now length equals to 40 centimeter. So according to the equation, x plus 4 is equals to 40 centimeter. So x equals to 40 centimeter minus 4, which is equals to 36 centimeter, right? So breadth equals to 36 centimeter. Clear? Now come to the next A2. Rahul is 6 years older than his sister. Rahul is 6 years older than his sister. If Rahul is 15 years old, so here we will take her sister's age as x. Sister's age equals to x. Rahul age 6 years older means x plus 6, and it is given that Rahul age is 15 years, right? So हमने क्या माना है, राहुल की एज को x plus 6 equals to 15, x equals to 15 minus 6 equals to 9 years. It means जो उसके सिस्टर की एज है, सिस्टर्स एज इज 9 years. क्लियर? बहुत इजी, बहुत सिंपल क्वेश्चंस हैं. लाइक A3, द सम ऑफ अ 2 angles of a triangle is 150 degree. Find the third one. So how you will write? 150 and sum of all 3 angles, x plus 150 degree equals to 180 degree. So x equals to 180 degree minus 150 degree equals to 30 degree. Right? So the third angle is of 30 degree. But you have to write with the proper statements. Like sum of 2 angles is 150 degree. Let the third angle be x. And sum of all the angle is equal to 180 degree. Clear, students? You have to learn how to make the statements. How to make the statements like this from the question. Now A4. 4 more than 3 times a number. 3 times a number means 3x. 4 more than plus 4 is equal to 12 more than its double. Find the number. So this will be the equation in the A4. 4 more than 3 times a number means 3x plus 4 is equal to 12 more than its double. So firstly x term to be one sided, plus change will into minus. Here this will change into minus. 3 minus 2, x, and 12 minus 4 is 8. And here you will write let number equals to x. So the number is, find the number, and number is equals to 8. Clear? Now A5. Uma Shankar has 1 liter of salt solution which has 30% salt. He wants to dilute the solution this adding water so that he gets a solution having 20% salt. Find the amount of the water that he has to add. So this question you will try to do. Right? For today your homework is try to do the question A5 and A6. These two questions we will discuss in the next lecture. And for today we have completed the solution of an equations. Only 2 questions are left which we will discuss next. If anyone have any problem regarding these questions, you can comment and you can ask.